Welcome today in front of me Honor 20E, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should launch the Play Store application, and then on the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app. Click yes, I agree, click close. Here click to OK on the left down corner, and as can you see here we got the section with the temperature of our device, that's 32 degrees. Also we got here the other information about our battery health, level, capacity. Also we got here the Android version, model of our device, and more other information. So, and that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.